How to know call busy without calling. So if you want to know call busy without calling, or if you want to see call busy without calling, then here are some steps. First, you need to have Truecaller on your device. Once you have your Truecaller, then what you need to do is you need to open up your Truecaller application. After opening your Truecaller, you need to go with the upper left, which has that profile option. And from your profile, you need to just scroll down and you will have your privacy center. So you need to go with the privacy center and make sure that you've turned on the option of privacy. Or you'll also have an option of settings on the top right. Go with settings, and from the settings here you will have your privacy center option. Tap on it and go with the availability and view profiles privately. You can turn that on also. And once you turn all of these on, then you just need simply go back and select the account of whom you would like to know if they are busy or not. So for example, if I go with a person, which is right here, once you tap on that person now, as you can see that it says last seen 2 minutes ago, which means this person was active but he's not busy. If they are busy, then it will say they are busy, or you will have an interface which will have a red color phone icon on the bottom of their name. So if you have a red colored icon on the bottom of their name, then it means that they are busy. But if you don't have that, and if you have last seen, that means they're not busy. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.